In today's video, I'm going to share with you an anti-inflammatory and mood-boosting mocktail. Let's dive in. So this is one that requires a little bit extra preparation, but it's great to help you unwind. It's got a lot of anti-inflammatory ingredients, and it's really delicious. What you're gonna need are a couple of either tangerines or oranges, cuties, whatever you have, and then you're gonna actually put them into the blender along with a little bit of coconut milk. You can use coconut milk from the can. I've just literally taken it out of the can and put it into a jar to keep it. You're gonna need that because you need the fat in the coconut for the star ingredient of this mocktail, which is turmeric. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant, and those properties lend it to helping with pain and inflammation. Now, the thing about using turmeric is that the active ingredient we're usually after is called curcumin. And in order to be able to actually utilize the curcumin in our bodies, it needs to either be attached to a fat molecule or something like a black pepper molecule. Now, a lot of the over-the-counter supplements already have something attached to it that will help you digest and absorb the turmeric and thus extract the curcumin, which is the active ingredient. In something like this powder, all it has is just organic turmeric root. So when you're adding it into a drink or into a beverage, you're gonna need to add in some sort of fat, hence the coconut milk. To your blender, add two of your, if you're using little cuties like I did 3 of these along with 1 tablespoon of the turmeric and 2 ounces of the coconut milk, and then you can either add water, or what I like to do is I actually added chrysanthemum tea. In Chinese herbal medicine, chrysanthemum helps with the liver, it helps with the eyes. It is also cooling and anti-inflammatory. So what I did was make some chrysanthemum tea using this, which you can usually find at any Asian grocer. I used 2 tablespoons for 16 ounces of water, and I let it steep for about 10 minutes. And then I have this in my little bottle here already prepared and ready to go. I added about 6 ounces of that into my Vitamix. So you got your oranges, you got your turmeric, and you got your coconut milk, and then you can either use plain water or the chrysanthemum tea. Now, you mix all that together and you blend it. You can strain it if it's a little bit thick, but you end up with a lovely golden type beverage here. That is going to be the base of our mocktail. So what you're gonna need is a cup, get your ice, and we're gonna add probably, let's say about 2 to 3 ounces of your mixture. Not only is it anti-inflammatory, but I like to use this one as a wind down cocktail when I come home. So I'm actually gonna add this product, which is from Pure Encapsulations. It's called Pure Tranquility Liquid. And I like this because it contains GABA, L-theanine, as well as glycine. Now I have a video on both GABA and L-theanine, how it helps with mood, it helps with relaxation, it helps with memory and focus. And they give you that overall sense of calm and relaxation. And glycine can help with that as well. I'll leave a link to those videos down below, but just give it a shake. And usually a serving of this will give you 100 milligrams of GABA, 100 milligrams of L-theanine, and 50 milligrams of glycine. That's what 4 milliliters, which is gonna be 4 droppers. Now, if you wanna boost it a little bit more, if you want more relaxation, you can add a little bit of additional L-theanine. I really find that it helps me mellow out and relax, so I actually just have an L-theanine capsule that I will open up and add a little bit more. If you're looking for dosage on your L-theanine, check out that video or talk with your healthcare practitioner. Now, I know there's a lot of ingredients in here. What I also like to do by the time I come home from work, I probably haven't drank enough water. I actually add a little bit of an electrolyte powder. And this one is a citrus flavored one, which you can use whatever you have, or you can skip it altogether. But I like to add that because it gives a little extra kick. At this point, you can add a little bit more water, or you can add a little bit more of your tea. Just gonna add a dash of that chrysanthemum tea into the shaker. And be careful with this because it can stain your countertop or your clothing because the turmeric is no joke. I also, usually with the mixture, I'll add in a little bit of ginger, like a little knob of ginger, maybe a 1-inch piece, but I didn't have any, so I'm gonna use a little bit of ginger juice, just because I like a little spice. And again, ginger is also anti-inflammatory, helps promote digestion, helps with your circulation, all the good stuff. So, into the cup and look at that color. Oh, looks so good. Lastly, I'm actually gonna top mine up with a little bit of kombucha. This one is the Ginger Aid formula. I love the spice, I love the flavor. I just top that up. Add your straw. So good. It's so good. This is actually perfect in the summer, but even now that it's cooler, because of the ginger, it's a little bit spicy and heating. So good. So that's your anti-inflammatory, relaxing and unwinding turmeric and ginger mocktail. All right, let me know what you think, or if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.